How is AI changing the way you lead and manage the enterprise? We understand business parameters are defined at the top, but execution happens across functions and departments. This includes everything, including plant, people, partners, customers, processors, and dashboards. For instance, manufacturing runs on multiple systems, including ERP, CRM, quality, maintenance, sales, service, and others. Multiple systems create fragmented information. Without a unified intelligence layer, there is no clear, actionable view of top priorities, only reports, not decisions. The result? Issues like too much scrap, downtime, delayed dispatches, payment recoveries, vendor delays, high scrap and rework, machine downtime, missed delivery commitments, missed orders, impacts customer satisfaction. With ICS, a multi-agentic AI system, it works alongside you and acts as a unified intelligence across your ecosystem. Not only real-time alerts, but most importantly, action cards. It continuously monitors all systems, detects deviations in real time, pinpoints the root cause, and recommends clear, actionable steps, corrective, preventive, or escalation-driven. In turn, helps you take complete control. Our AI helps leadership move from reports to early alerts, from firefighting to predictive control, driving higher efficiency, on-time delivery, and stronger profitability. That's AI with ICS. Reach us at sales@icsgroup.io or call us on +91 999 1009 4596.